What's up, sellers? Welcome to this video. Hey, it's been a few days since I posted. Today is going to be a fun one, going sourcing. Haven't sourced for eBay in quite a while. Looking forward to it. Before we get started, I want to let you know that some of the items that I sourced today, I will be passing on to you, the viewers, at face value plus shipping. That means I'm going to spend some money today and buy some really profitable items, but I want to help you take your eBay business or your Poshmark Mercari business further. So I'm going to be putting some of these items up for grabs. You will pay what I paid plus the shipping to get them to you. There's no profit built into this for me. I just want to help you. I'm thinking of calling this profit boxes or Nick's buy box. You can buy this box from me with the merchandise. Stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll see what the items are. For today, I'm going to be hitting Goodwills and local thrift stores in the area to grab some profit, but also have to run some errands. I'm taking you along on the ride with me, and I'm super excited about this. Let's get started. All right, here we are. We are at the thrift. We, I, you, me, we. Hey, we're at the thrift here. This actually is a church thrift store, so I think from what I understand, I've never been here before, they have a thrift store in their basement, I think. My mother-in-law told me about this place. She keeps buying shoes here, like Jordan 1s, for $3 and $4 a piece. And so I thought I had better get down here and figure out what it's all about. So I'm here. But anyways, I digress. Let's go in there and find some stuff. This church is called Rescue Church. And so the thrift store is called Rescue Thrift. Let's see what we can rescue from this thrift store. All right off the bat, this place, first impression, this place is a smorgasbord of stuff. You can see out here, it is definitely an independent thrift. It's just tables of stuff everywhere. I found this box of remote controls. I'm going to go through these. These tend to sell very well and generally don't cost very much. So we're going to see what that turns out. There's a lot here. Just left that thrift store. Pretty awesome in there. It was a lot of really vintage and antique stuff. And so wasn't exactly, I mean, like you're talking vintage Walmart clothing. Wasn't tons of great stuff. I spent $31. The prices were really good. Men's, women's, adult clothing, everything's $2 except for one rack where they had specialty prices, which were $5. So I was able to get that Boston Red Sox vintage reversible jacket for $5. I got an LL Bean trench coat, women's vintage trench coat for $5. Both of those items going for $50 on eBay. Got a pair of Belleville military boots, really good condition. They were $10. He gave them to me for $8 because I was buying so much stuff. And so those flip easily for $60 to $80 on eBay. Really excited. Today is just such a good day. All right, so this stop is my church. I did some video footage for a friend and at the church, and so I'm dropping off that footage, then back on the road. All right, we're at this next stop. I'm actually going to call this the last stop of the day because I have to get home. So this is stop number 2 as far as thrifting goes. And it is actually, there it is, right there, boom, Goodwill. It is Goodwill. This is one of my hot spots. I always get really good stuff here. So let's get in there and see what we can find. All right, so my main thing about this store is normally they have really good shoes, but they're all overpriced. So they're selling for $18.99, ridiculous. These are selling for $11.99 for these Converse. Totally ridiculous for a used store, for a thrift store. That's way too high. However, if you know where to look, and I do, there are little spots where they will throw shoes in a bin that either they haven't like upped the price for, or they don't know what they're doing. And so I just found these leather Nike Shox. They're the 4-shock version, leather Nike Shox for $5, which is a steal. And then also these brand new in the box, Converse original box, excellent condition. These are $8, so I will pay that higher price there. And then also the boots section. So boots and casual shoes can go for, you can get more out of them, even though and pay less for them. Yeah, get more out of them, pay less for them. So right here we have these military boots. I could probably clean these up, and these are $6. I could easily sell these for $60. Nope. See that? Always check. Always check. Timberland boots. This is easy, $40 right here. Oh, they want $12.99 for them. Nope. Not today. Not today, not ever. It's all about getting dirty and just checking stuff, guys. Ultimately, a lot of junk today. Move on to the next set of things. All right. Finished here at Goodwill. And the cool thing is with this store, for whatever reason, we get a lot of really high-end stuff, really expensive stuff. So I got a virtually brand new, I won't list it as brand new, but essentially a brand new LL Bean goose-filled puffy vest, goose down filled puffy vest. Yeah, it's not filled with real geese. But yeah, got that for $8, and they're going for $50 used on the bay. So got a brand new pair of Converse in the box. I will show you guys those things in the next little clip as soon as I get home. All right, guys, we're back in the home office. We are here with our stuff. I got 4 bags of items from 2 different thrift stores. Let's jump in and see what we've got. First off, this is the very first item I found at the first store. This is what I believe to be a vintage Pro-Line Carolina Panthers hat, snapback hat. It's dirty, but it is in good condition. I will spend some time cleaning it. I paid $2 for it, and they are selling for $25 plus shipping, which fits my margins. We've got this Boston Red Sox reversible jacket. It's got the Boston Red Sox emblem on the back. It's got right there, and then it flips inside out, and you've got the Boston B on there. Boom, like that. Pretty cool. I paid $5. Pretty good item. Really good condition as far as the integrity of the jacket, and no rips, tears, or stains, or smells, which is awesome. They're selling for $50 on eBay. Really excited about this one. This is very unique. This is a very unique item. I didn't smell it before I left the store. This is a vintage LL Bean. Okay, you can see I paid $5 for it. Vintage LL Bean women's trench coat. Selling for $50 to $60 on eBay. No rips, tears, stains, or smells. It's actually in exceptionally good condition. Like, I'm very, very shocked. It's a women's extra large. Yeah, definitely from like the 80s, 90s era, for sure. Let's see what else we've got in the bag. We've got this, what I believe to be a vintage LL Bean sort of messenger bag, shoulder bag. It's not huge. I don't know if it's like a purse, maybe like a hiking purse bag. It's not a camera bag. I don't really know what to call this thing. I'm gonna call it a messenger bag. But I paid, let's see. I honestly don't know how much I paid. I think I paid $2 or $1.50, which is still really good either way. The next thing, got this personalized. I've got this personal Stanley thermos, 16 ounce. I paid $3. They're going for what, 18 to 24 on eBay. But honestly, I might keep this for myself because like a nice insulated mug. This is really, really nice. For $3, that might just go into my collection. Boom. I have a Stanley thermos. It's huge. It's like the massive one that you can like take on a weekend trip. And I've always wanted a personal size Stanley thermos. So there it is, I guess. That's mine. Then we have this NCAA medium, size medium, Hokies, Virginia Tech, zip up, zippy. My wife calls them zippies. I don't know what the real name for them is, but it's what it is. Always check the pockets. You never know what you're gonna get. Be careful though, because you never know what you're gonna get. I don't know that I've met a fan base more dedicated than the Virginia Tech Hokies. So that is bag number 1. Bag number 2, got these Asics. Full disclaimer, I did not even check comps on these because they were $2. And so if I can 5 times my money at a minimum and get $10 for these, that's easy. I got these Doc Martens, $5. Doc Marten boots. They are leather and they're very dirty, but I'm going to clean them very easily. So yeah, Doc Marten boots. Bag number 3 from that same store. Some kids, I guess kids or maybe women's really, really small feet. Let's see. No, they're kids. They're size 2, youth 2. Columbia, like hiking shoes. Pretty good. If I can get 15 or 20 out of them, that'd be awesome. And then these Bellevilles, I paid, the price on them was 10. I don't know if you can see that. Boom, 10. But the guy only charged me 8. He looked at him, he's like, whoa, $10. No way. So 8. And the tread on them is so good. These right here will go, I'll sell these fast for 60. Like 60 fast will be my move on those. That is store number 1, those items. Store number 2, Converse. Brand new in the box. They are called the Raw Ginger. Raw Ginger Converse Chuck Taylors. Perfect condition. Perfect condition. In the box, they actually came from an Amazon seller. You can see the Amazon label there. Got these Toms wool lined boots. I don't think they're real wool in there. They are so cozy feeling. Toms, you know the brand. Excellent condition. Bottoms look really good. Very little wear, if any. Women's size 8, so that's a good size to go with. These particular shoes, I found them on eBay. I paid 5 and they're selling 25. So that barely fits my margins, but because they are Toms and a unique style, I went with them. Probably one of the finds of the day. I've had a lot of finds of the day. This LL Bean, man, I'm so bummed that this is not my size. This is modern, it's not vintage, but LL Bean, double XL, puffy goose down filled puffy vest. Yes. I did pay $9, but they are selling on the low end. Oh, look at that little goose feather. They are selling on eBay for $45 to $50 used, anywhere from $85 to $90 brand new. And then I saw the jacket version of it selling for $120 new. Then the good old faithful and trusty Nike Shox. How many of these have I bought and sold? I don't even know. So many is the answer. Yeah, so super excited about these. Paid $5. Here's the thing, at my Goodwill that I shopped at today, they mark up all the Nikes and all the expensive shoes, but they never mark up the Shox. I guess they just don't know. You only know if you know. The bottoms of these, exceptionally good condition. You can see that's clean there. It's not rubbed off. It's not showing any metal. Super nice bottom. Inside looks crispy clean. Size 9.5 men's. So we'll say size 11 women's. Yeah. Really, really happy with these. Super cool. Patent leather and leather. It's got like the leather front up here and then the patent leather back here. Really nice. Man, if these were my size, I wouldn't wear them because I don't wear Nike Shox. I'm not a fan of them, but I am a fan of selling them. So that is that's the deal for today. Paid $31 at my first store, paid $21 at my second store. It was going to be $25, but I had a 20% off coupon, so I walked out right around $21 on that second store. Stick around for some cool B-roll starting right about now. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that B-roll. Listen, I talked earlier about the Nix buy box, or perhaps the profit box. I like the name of profit box better. I'm trying to think of a way to add some items to a flat rate box that I can ship at value, like at cost. So let's say, for instance, that we threw this LL Bean and this LL Bean in the box. Then we could say $5 plus $9 is $14 plus shipping, maybe flat rate a $13 box. Throw some stuff in a box. When it goes up for grabs, someone says, I want it. They buy it for face value plus the shipping, and then they automatically get some cool pieces to add to their inventory. Didn't have to source, you just have to watch the video. Trying to figure this out. Drop it in the comments if this is something that interests you, if it's something that you are looking forward to doing. I'm able to source a lot of really good stuff. For whatever reason, there's a lot of really good stuff in my area. And I want to pass on some of those savings, some of those really good deals to my viewers. And if that is you, I'm really looking forward to kind of helping your business grow. That's what I'm about. Helping other businesses grow, helping people make more money selling online. So if that interests you, let me know. Perhaps we will throw a couple of these items in a box. Stay tuned. I will give more information on my Instagram story when that goes, or when that becomes available. Keep selling, get the bag. I'll see you on the next video.